Let's look at how to make a box plot with our data that represents the travel or commute times for some New Yorkers, how long it takes them to get to work. So to make our box plot, I'm going to highlight our data. And on the Insert menu, I'm going to choose this Recommended Graphs. And I'll go to the All Charts. And down towards the bottom is the Box and Whisker plot, or the box plot. So I'll click on that and say OK. And we can certainly change this title here. So New York Travel. And here is our box plot. So our min is the bottom of this whisker and the max is the top, so there are no outliers. This line here that splits the box into two pieces is our median. And this X here, let me change this color so it's a little easier to see. That X represents the mean. So our mean here is a little bit bigger than our median. And this is right skewed because our whisker is really tall here coming out of the top. All right, so there is your single box plot.